Hi everyone, today in front of me I have this REALME C35 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set an Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, open up the settings, then look for the apps section, apps and notifications. Here choose the default apps category and go for the browser app, and at the browser app select Opera, and from now on the Opera application will be the default browser on your REALME C35 device. There is also the second way how you can do that. In order to execute the second way, open up the Opera application itself. Here at the bottom right corner, go for the profile icon of yours, tap on settings and scroll down until you'll see the default browser section. Tap on it, click on next, choose and select Opera, set as default, and from now on the Opera is the default browser on your device. Alright, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!